I'm starting my run now. I think it's about 5:45 a.m. or about 6. And the sky is quite cloudy. So it's fine. It's good. Yeah, doing my warm-up na. I'm here at phase 1. It's it's like a half kilometer and a half from our house. But this is just the front of the village. I haven't seen the fog for a while, so that's something to be grateful for. Hi! Done with my warm-up. Now, on foot, hindi ako sasakay ng jeep. Tumatakbo po talaga ako. Hello, I was almost 200 kilograms, tapos naging 86, naging almost 70 ako at one time. Hey! Kahit gusto nyong sabihin na inaccurate sa Strava, I don't care. Anyway, nasa Champakan na ako. 5 kilometers! 5 kilometers na ako. Hey, 6.58 kilometers now. Well, my brain is quite connected to some form of dependency. So, hey, hi! Hi! 8 kilometers. Almost 8 kilometers. 7 kilometers and 69. Is it 690 meters? Basta 7.69 kilometers. Come on. It's usually where I jungle gym. I've done my chest, upper arms and legs and core the past few days, so just saying hi. Hi! Yun lang. Kung muna yung Strava, kaya muna ako. Medyo naka 1068 on a flat shoe. I'll end my run here. May medyo masamang sign, meron ng baked potato. It's almost 13 kilometers as per Strava. Well, it's flat, so it's not usually my trail, but I still think Marikina is a very good place to run. Fatigue is setting in at 13 kilometers and 340 meters, 0.34 kilometers. 13.34 kilometers. Mainit na. Hi, 16 kilometers and 0.93. 930 meters, sorry. Ito na itsura ko. Mainit na. Kaya ako tumakbo kasi kala ko maulap. Hindi naman pala maulap. Visit yung 1905, 19 kilometers, 5.5, whatever that 0.5 is. I'm already walking and I'm already pataas. Slope. Okay. So, finally, and I ended way far back sa, we call it Manggahan. So, Sitio Manggahan. So, yan, there seems to be a barrier for 20 kilometers sa akin. So, I hope I don't know, it's either it's diet, pero okay naman ng pagkain, or really have to eat breakfast.